In episode 29, Yingguo asks Yiyang if he is angry because of her. Yiyang responds by saying that there couldn't be any other reason. Yingguo then mentions that someone else used to chase Yiyang and even works with him. Yiyang tells Yingguo that she can stay with him. Yingguo explains that her parents won't allow it, but she can stay for 2 or 3 days. Yiyang surprises Yingguo by saying that he meant they should get married. Yingguo is very shocked to hear this. Yiyang asks Yingguo if she is scared. Yingguo replies by saying that she came to see him and didn't expect him to say this. Yiyang then asks Yingguo for her thoughts on the matter. Yingguo hesitates while answering. Yiyang then says, "I get it now." Yingguo notices the guitar nearby and asks, "Is this guitar yours?" Yiyang replies, "No, it belongs to Yiyang." Yiyang is learning to play it to impress a girl he went on a blind date with who loves music. Yingguo inquires, "Can you play?" Yiyang responds, "I don't have any hobbies, I've always been a boring person. My entire life revolves around practice and competitions." Yingguo says, "That's why I like you." Yiyang starts smiling. Today is the first day of the tournament, and all the players from China come to the stadium. Yingguo's dad asks her mom, "Why aren't you watching the match?" Yingguo's mom replies, "I trust them all, I will only watch the finals." Moving on to the third day of the competition, Yiyang wins the first gold in billiards. On the fourth day of the competition, Yiyang gets a silver medal in the 9-ball. It is being said that Yiyang has won the 5th gold medal for the China team. Upon hearing this, all the members of Dongxin City become very happy. Yiyang also wins a medal. Yiyang compliments his performance. Yiyang says, "I couldn't play in the main event, but still, I am happy that I won a medal in the 8-ball event." Yiyang then approaches Yingguo and presents her with the men's 9-ball gold medal, stating that she will become the queen of 9-ball when she wins the women's 9-ball gold medal. Yingguo feels good hearing this. Yingguo then says, "I am worried about your shoulder injury. Is your shoulder hurting?" Yiyang replies, "No, I'm fine now." On the 6th day, Xiaodong competes with Yiyang. Yingguo notices Yiyang massaging his shoulder. Lin tells Yingguo, "The doctor's team treated Yiyang last night." Yingguo is surprised and Lin explains that she found out from Yiyang since Yiyang didn't want to share. Xiaodong wins the gold medal in the game, while Yiyang receives the silver medal. Yingguo also wins in women's snooker. Lin says to Yingguo, "You performed very well and we cannot lose to the men's team." She then asks these three, "Do you guys admit now that we are no less in snooker?" Yiyang urges the coach to speak up. The coach says, "There is strength in the women's team too." Yiyang says, "Yiyang and I played despite serious injuries. You should encourage us." In response, the coach promises to arrange a special lunch for everyone. Later, when Yiyang's doctor is treating him, Yingguo arrives. Yingguo asks, "How is it now?" The doctor says, "It's fine now." When Yiyang asks her about the match, Yingguo shares that she made it to the semifinals. Yiyang congratulates her. Yingguo notices food on the table and asks if Yiyang has eaten. Yiyang replies he hasn't. Yingguo tells Yiyang to have lunch first. Yiyang then eats lunch. Later, Lin wins the gold medal in women's snooker, while Yingguo wins the silver medal. They both are very happy. Yingguo shows her medal to her mom and promises to win gold the next day. Her mom says, "I'm excited to see your next medal." Yingguo sees Yiyang's post, where he dedicates all his medals to their coach, Mr. He. The following day, Yingguo wins the gold medal in women's 9-ball. Yiyang is very happy for her. The coach informs them that Chinese teams of other sports have won more medals than their team. Yiyang says, "We should praise the women's team because they have already won 2 gold medals and 3 silver medals." Coach says, "They have reduced a lot of pressure on you." Yiyang's doctor arrives with his medicine. Seeing this, Yiyang asks if he can play today's match. Yiyang responds, "Yes, I can play today's match." Yingguo is reading online comments where people are questioning his injuries despite his comeback last year and saying he's just making excuses because he's afraid of losing. Yingguo doesn't feel good after reading these comments. Now she asks Yiyang what his plan is after the match. Yiyang responds, we'll talk about it after the match. Yingguo wishes Yiyang good luck, and he goes to play the game. Yiyang, Xiaodong, and Yiyang are competing against India, and their scores are tied in the second last round. That's why they all look a little worried. Yiyang informs Yiyang that he won't be playing in next month's tournament. Yiyang says that this is the toughest night for all of them. Xiaodong asks Yiyang if he can win, to which Yiyang responds yes. Now the final round starts. Yiyang is performing quite well in this game, but his opponent is also playing very well. When it comes to the last shot, the competition becomes intense. If Yiyang misses this, he will lose. But Yiyang wins this game, and in this way, China wins a total of 6 gold medals in this tournament. Overall, China wins the tournament. That's why the Chinese flag is raised here, and then everyone gathers to sing their national anthem. In the evening, Yiyang, Yiyang, and Xiaodong are sitting in the stadium. Yiyang starts saying that he feels very jealous thinking that you guys have never left the field. Xiaodong says that since I was young, I have been jealous of your talent. Yiyang says you both are geniuses, stop praising each other. Both of you started winning championships when you were 12 or 13 years old, but I joined the club at that time, when I was 14 years old. I practiced with Yiyang and won my first championship. Xiaodong reveals, I had surgery last year, but only my dad was aware of it. Yiyang comments, that's why you were abroad for a whole year. Now a guy comes and says, the lights are about to go out, why haven't you left yet? Yiyang requests, can you please capture a photo of the 3 of us? The man agrees, and then the 3 of them take a picture together. When they come out, there is an announcement that the organizers have advised them not to go outside because there are too many fans. They are afraid that something might happen to someone. We'll leave when the fans leave from here. Now Yiyang receives a picture from Yingguo. It is her ticket to Hell City. Yingguo tells Yiyang, Jingyi has warned me that long-distance relationships don't work out for too long. Yingguo asks, can we prove that long-distance relationships work?